Okay, so on this one, we're solving an x squared equation. Let me put in the wall of separation here. Basically, you know how this works. X is saying, I want to be alone, right? So in other words, get rid of this 242, get rid of this 50, get rid of this 2 power even, so that I can be alone. So that's what we do. We just handle it like peeling an onion from the outer layers, working on to the inside. So we're going to say, all right, first off, add 242 to both sides. And so boom, boom. So bring this down, we get 50x squared is 242. Next step, divide by the 50. Right, get rid of this here. And so that'll cancel that out. We get x squared equals, and what is that? By 50, I'm doing my calculator for. I'm getting 4.84. 4.84. So now, will they take fractions on this one? I'm not sure. Let me see. See if they'll take fractions. No, they want, I mean, they won't take decimals. Yeah, so they won't take decimals. Let me back up. They won't take decimals on this problem. So you can't do that. You have to, what do you have to do? You got to reduce it. Divide top and bottom by 2. That'll be 121 over 25. Yeah. So yeah, I just checked. They will not take decimals on this problem. So you've got to keep it fractions. So that means you have to reduce the fractions. So I divided top and bottom by 2. Okay, now, how do I turn that into, I just want regular x, right? How do you get rid of that second power thing? You know, you do the root, right? And whatever you do to one side, you got to do the other. You put the root on both sides. And don't forget, when you put the roof on the house, up and down the ladder, right? When you put a root on both sides, you got to go plus or minus. You put a roof on the house, you got to go up and down the ladder, as my dorky saying. Okay, now, use your calculator. You can square root the 121, it'll be 11. You can square root the 25, it'll be 5. The plus or minus is still there. But the root is now gone. Why? Because I did the root of the top, so it's gone from the top, and I did the root of the bottom, so it's gone from the bottom, so it's gone altogether. No more root. Remember, when you root something and it does its job, it vanishes. So now what's that? What's with the, don't forget the plus or minus. What's with the plus or minus? That means plus 11/5, comma, minus 11/5. It wants you to give the 2 answers in that box separated by a comma. So it's going to be plus, and you don't need to write plus. You could just say regular 11/5 and negative 11/5 with a comma in between. Either order doesn't matter, but it does have to be fractions, not decimals. And so there we go.